Welcome all. My name is Atisha Bhuir, lecturer from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today we will see the practical number 3 of ICT. Practical number 3 is create, edit and save a document. Now, in the practical significance, creating a document for different purposes such as creating notes, reports, statements and applying a desktop publishing features involves different kind of skills in creating, editing and formatting text matter in various ways. This practical is useful for developing necessary skills to incorporate the same and is useful to use computers for all the sort of electronic documentation. So we know in the Word we create a document, right? We create a document. For creating a document we use Microsoft Word, that is chapter number 2. We have studied in the chapter number 2 how to create a document, how to edit a document, how to save a document, right? So this is useful for creating a documentation. So Microsoft Word is useful for creating a documentation. So we all should know how to create a document, how to edit a document, how to save a document, right? So in the minimum theoretical background, word processing tools are computer software which allows the user to create, edit and save a text file. Mostly all the operating systems support basic word processing tools to create a document. These tools provide features of creating a file, edit a already existing file, print a file. One can also make use of existing file to create a table, add certain graphics in these files. So we all know in the Microsoft Word, we create a file, we edit a file, we edit already existing file, right? And if you want to add a table, then we can also add the table graphics in the file, and at the end we save a file. Okay, so this is the procedure. In the procedure, how to create and save a document. So first of all, first point is type some lines, useful text matter, right? Means what document you need to save. So first of all, you need to make a document, right? So apply the formatting features, go to the options like bold, italic, and then go to the relevant option to preview a document. Then preview your document before printing. And to save a document, there are two options, save and save as. If you already saved a file and you need to save it at the different location, then we need to use the save as option, right? If you save your file on the desktop and now you need to save your file on the C drive, then we need to use save as option for saving it to the different location. Okay. Edit a document means open your existing document and edit it, right? So how to create a document? Go to the Word, right? This is Word, and then next is, now our document is blank, so type some lines here like this, and then how to save? Go to the file, go to the save, and then just select here from routes. Now we need to save a file on the desktop, right? So select desktop from here, select our desktop location. Okay, so here select a desktop, and then just our file name should be this. If you don't want this, then just change your name ABC line and then save. So as our file is saved on the desktop, now just see on the desktop, this is the file we have saved. Now next is the how to open it. Now this is the file we have saved on the desktop. Now how to save as it? Our file is already saved on the desktop, right? So if you want to save your file at a different location, then use save as option. Just click on the save as, same procedure, browse, and then here change its name, or you can give same name also, right? Go to the C drive. I want to save it on the C drive, or we select D drive, okay? And then just ABC. Now you want this file. Now this file is Word document, right? If you want this as PDF, just select here PDF. You can change its type also from here, okay? From here, and then PDF, and then just pressed on save. Now this file is in the D drive like PDF. Okay, so this drive is on the D drive as PDF. This file is open now. See, abc.pdf. So this file is now in the PDF. So like this we can use save and save as options. Save as for storing it on the different location and storing it as PDF or any other version other than Word. Means you can change its type also. Previously this file was in the Word document, right? We have changed its type to PDF. So this file is saved. This file is saved in the D drive as a PDF. So this is how we can use the PDF. So go to the D drive and see ABC PDF. So like this you can save your file. Okay. Now the next is questions. Now what are the questions here? Just I'm zooming it now. Now see, explain the difference between paste and paste special. So what is the difference between paste and paste special? So this is the answer. Paste is a feature that lets user cut or copy items from the document. But paste special allows you items being transferred to be formatted in several different ways. In the paste special, you can paste your file as several different ways. Means what? Like if you want to paste an image file, then you can paste as an image. If you want to paste a text file, then you can paste it as a text file. So save as option allows us to store it at the different types. Like for example, go to the Word. Now paste. Control C for copy. And then just you can select it and then right click on it. Copy. Now if you want to paste this, then here this is the paste special. Okay, means it keeps a safe source formatting. Means your source will be as it is. Okay, जैसे ओरिजिनल जहाँ से कॉपी किया वैसे के वैसे पेस्ट होगा. Then the next is merge formatting. Merge formatting means your formatting will be changed. ओरिजिनल जहाँ से कॉपी किया है पेस्ट होते टाइम उसका फॉर्मेट चेंज हो जाएगा. लाइक फॉन्ट चेंज होगा ऐसा. पिक्चर, अगर आपने इमेज को कॉपी किया है तो जब पेस्ट करने जाओगे तो सिलेक्ट दिस ऑप्शन पिक्चर. सो राइट क्लिक करके इमेज वाला ऑप्शन आएगा. कभी कभी क्या होता है जब हम लोग कंट्रोल भी करते हैं पेस्ट करते टाइम, जब हम लोग पेस्ट करते हैं तब वो टाइम पे पिक्चर पेस्ट नहीं होता. तो अगर पिक्चर को पेस्ट करना है कॉपी करने के बाद तो राइट क्लिक ऑन इट एंड देन जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस. सो पिक्चर विल बी पेस्टेड. ओके, टेक्स्ट तो कभी भी पेस्ट हो ही जाता है, बट अगर इमेज को कॉपी किया और वो कंट्रोल भी करने के बाद पेस्ट नहीं हो रहा है तो राइट क्लिक ऑन इट एंड सिलेक्ट पिक्चर. इट विल बी पेस्टेड एंड कीप टेक्स्ट ओनली टेक्स्ट विल बी कीप्ड. So this is the paste special. Okay, right click and this paste special options will become. So next is the explain the difference between save and save as. Now we know what is the difference between save and save as. Save is just a save, control plus S, but save as is used for changing its name, for changing its type like from Word to PDF, and for changing its location also. Okay, now the next is what will happen if we apply a painter tool to part of the document. पेंटर टूल अगर अप्लाई किया तो क्या होगा? फॉर्मेट पेंटर टूल इज यूज फॉर क्विकली अप्लाइंग द सेम फॉर्मेटिंग टू द डॉक्यूमेंट. वो क्या करता है? सेम फॉर्मेटिंग डॉक्यूमेंट को अप्लाई कर देता है. ओके, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज पेस्ट फॉर्मेट? सी हियर, फॉर्मेट पेंटर मतलब क्या? अभी यहाँ पे कुछ टाइप करो नीचे. सेम फॉर्मेटिंग अप्लाई करना मतलब क्या? अभी यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ टाइप किया एंड देन और इसका थोड़ा फॉर्मेट चेंज करो. जैसे अभी मैंने बोल्ड किया, इसको बोल्ड हुआ. नाउ दिस इज इन द नॉर्मल, दिस इज बोल्ड राइट. चेंज इट्स साइज ऑल्सो. ओके, नाउ सेम फॉर्मेटिंग अगर इसी का, नाउ इसका अगर सेम फॉर्मेटिंग हम लोगों को यहाँ पे भी लेके आना है तो जस्ट सिलेक्ट इट, गो टू द फॉर्मेट पेंटर. ओके, नाउ वी हैव सिलेक्टेड फॉर्मेट पेंटर. नाउ गो हियर, सी This is how we can give one text format to another text. Okay, just see it again. Just select it. Size थोड़ा बढ़ा देते हैं. Select format painter and go to the text where you want to format the text. Just see. Its size also change means इसका जो size है, इसका जो format है, वो किसको अप्लाई हो गया, इसको अप्लाई हो गया, राइट, ये वाले टेक्स्ट को. सो ऊपर वाले टेक्स्ट को. सो लाइक दिस वी कैन यूज द फॉर्मेट पेंटर टू अप्लाई द सेम फॉर्मेटिंग टू द डॉक्यूमेंट. मतलब सेम फॉर्मेटिंग अगर डॉक्यूमेंट को दूसरे अप्लाई करना है तो वी यूज फॉर्मेट पेंटर ऑप्शन. ओके, सो लाइक दिस format painter will be used. Now here we have studied the practical related questions, right? Practical related questions हमने पढ़े. Now exercise is create a file with your arbitrary name, write your name and basic information about it and save it on the desktop. मतलब क्या करना है, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड में एक फाइल क्रिएट करना है जिसको खुद का नाम दो एंड अपना बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन उसमें एंटर करो डॉक्यूमेंट में और उसको डेस्कटॉप पे सेव कर दो. तो ये एक्सरसाइज आपको करना है, ठीक है, ये एक्सरसाइज करके देखना है. एंड देन सेकेंड इज ओपन फाइल क्रिएटेड इन क्वेश्चन 1. अभी जो ये वाला फाइल क्रिएट किया है इसको ओपन करो डेस्कटॉप से एंड डिलीट सम इंफॉर्मेशन, राइट वर्ड काउंट डिटेल्स फ्रॉम अवेलेबल मेनू एंड इन्फॉर्मेशन क्या करो उसमें से डिलीट करो. तो ये दो एक्सरसाइजेज है. क्या करना है, ये जो फाइल है हम लोगों ने कुछ फाइल क्रिएट किया, ये फाइल में खुद का इंफॉर्मेशन डालो, नेम डालो, सब कुछ डालो, इसको डेस्कटॉप पे सेव करो. अभी पता है कैसे करना है. एंड देन जो सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है वो क्या है, ओपन फाइल जो सेव किया है डेस्कटॉप पे उसको वापस ओपन करो और उसमें से सब इंफॉर्मेशन डिलीट कर दो, ठीक है. सो दिस आर द एक्सरसाइज रिलेटेड विद द प्रैक्टिकल नंबर 3. यू नीड टू परफॉर्म इट okay, you need to perform it at the home. Okay, so this was the practical number 3. In the next video we will see practical number 4. Thank you.